All right, so the computation is finished. It's quite fast considering we are talking about 5,000 years. So now let's do the post-processing. First, we need to go to here. So after run pflowtran locally, let's go to the next workflow, which is to read the Eclipse output file. And basically the OGS will generate, because it's Eclipse mode, we will get this eGrid or Eclipse grid basically. Open. Right, so basically we are prepared and we have this results, factors, and solutions. So for the factors, you have all of this. These are the parameters that information for us regarding many parameters, flow rate, and so on and so forth. This is the solutions, depth, dx, dy, dz, mod x, ntg, perm x, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's basically it for read Eclipse output file. Okay, so after you click on create display, we have pictures and display 1, NTG. So you can see here. But of course, talking about NTG, no special thing about that. So let's go back to solutions and let's say that's for the static. Now let's see the dynamic side of it. What do you want? Maybe gas saturation. Create display. We have as gas there. Click on that. Okay. And we have, this is the timestamp. Okay. Maybe we can just go to the initial point forward, or yeah, right?